Select lake sites in both Beltrami and Cass counties will be receiving an increase in protection this year from invasive aquatic species such as starry stonewort through their new boat cleaning stations. Reporter Emma Hudziak paid a visit to one of the installation locations at Big Turtle Lake Access this morning to tell us more.
With help from the Minnesota Lakes and Rivers Stop Starry Stonewort program, as well as funding from the Environment and Natural Resources Trust Fund, Minnesota Lakes and Rivers advocates will be able to supply Minnesota lakes with new CD3 waterless boat cleaning systems.
We're installing CD3 machines, which stand for Clean, Drain, Dry, and Dispose. And what they do is they provide tools out to the boater so that they have a better chance to prevent the spread of the starry stonewort. I will mention that they're not watercraft decontamination stations. There's no hot water, and it's self-service, so any boater can use them whenever they want. They have lights on them. They have an air hose to blow out water out of water lines and other things like that.
In the 2021 House and Senate, Environment and Natural Resources Trust Fund was given $1 million in funding towards boat cleaning stations. This will allow for installations on each access on every lake that has been infested with starry stonewort in Minnesota.
So Beltrami County is getting 7 of these, and they're supplied by the Minnesota Lakes and Rivers as a grant program to help prevent the spread of starry stonewort throughout the state, because we have 7 infestations of starry stonewort in our county. Itasca County is getting some for Lake Winnie, Cass County is getting some for Leech Lake, and then the Lake Kronos area will be getting some too.
Bruce says that starry stonewort is a nasty invasive species. He also adds if you get zebra mussels within a body of water, you will still be able to use the lake. Starry stonewort, on the other hand, takes up the whole water column, affecting recreational use and fishing.
That whole area becomes infested with starry stonewort all the way from the top all the way down to the bottom. Fish can't use it, people can't recreate in there, you can't swim through it, you can't boat through it because it takes up that whole water column. And it's just solid plant life. So you really want to prevent the spread of starry stonewort from one water body to the next.
Bruce hopes that these new stations will help boaters prevent the spread of aquatic invasive species at Big Turtle Lake, as well as other surrounding lakes in Beltrami County. Reporting in Bemidji, Emma Hudziak, Lakeland News.
Due to recent flooding in the area, boat cleaning installations are currently on hold until further notice. Beltrami County hopes to have installations finished by the fishing opener on May 14th, but that will depend on the weather.
Lakeland News is member-supported content. Please consider supporting Lakeland News today.